Hey guys, what's up? It's B-Town here, also known as Lation for Ultima Online. I'm going to start making videos on this. My main focus is going to be the Orion client. As you can see here, if you look on my screen, it is this. This is the Orion client. So I'll pull it up here where you can see, and you can see your different just things that you can do. So when you first load it, we'll go over a whole video. So I'll show you a video of actually downloading it, getting it downloaded, all of that, and then we'll go from there and just do different videos on how to do different things. So this is just an introduction video letting you know what I'm going to be doing, how I'm going to be doing it, what I'm going to be showing you, and how it's all going to work. So ultimately, like I said, this thing is awesome. You can run scripts with it. You can run just about anything. You can make it auto open corpses, you can make it auto loot, you can make it auto loot off the ground, how people do during IDOCs when they grab everything before you have a chance. Well, now you're going to have an equal opportunity to do that too, without just a certain select few people on the shard being able to do it, and you're just stuck there with nothing. So that's the main reason I'm making this, is just kind of even the playing field. And then other players, like I said, they even charge money for or currency in game to give you these scripts and stuff. I'll probably end up just releasing those for free as well, because I don't really care if I make them mad or not. But at this point, what I'll do is just to show you, you can see here scripts. I have them paused. Like, you've got healing, concentrate, auto attack, and then monster farm. So this monster farm, it'll be one that I maybe release towards the end, maybe not. I'm not sure if I want to. I'm going to talk to Plus C before I do that. It will actually bounce you around the map, and you'll kill different monsters, collect gold, and bounce to the next place. So that's the way that works. I try not to use it too much. I do every once in a while. I mainly bought it just to see how it worked, and I had to pay real in-game currency for it. But that's just how it goes. So anyway, that's what we're going to be covering. I'm just doing this intro video. One, I'm going to redo it if it doesn't sound good and it doesn't look good, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. There's going to be a lot more. I'm going to teach you a lot more about this program, and we're going to learn a lot together. All right, thanks, bye.